Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to submit your Blogger blog on Google Search Console. So please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and smash up the subscribe button for more latest update, and also give me a thumbs up on this video. So now, before we begin in this tutorial, what is Google Search Console? So Google Search Console, as I said earlier, Google is a search engine. So Google created a solution for website owners to gain organic traffic to their sites for free. Just if you submit your website on Google Search Console, Google will index your blog post before they'll start bringing it out on search engine. So now this is the blog that you are going to submit on Google. So elitetech.com.ng. the blog is not available on Google. So now first, let's search it on Google to see if it's available or not. So let's search it. Elite Tech. So this is it. Let's check for elitetech.com.ng. So nothing like elitetech.com.ng here. So let's try this again. So let's try it. Let's search for elitetech.com.ng again. So you see elitetech.com.ng is not available on Google. So with this method, I will show you how your blog will be listed on Google for free. So now, first and foremost, get into your Blogger dashboard. So this is the Blogger dashboard, and hover up to settings. So now you are in settings. So then go to now here is the meta tags option. So meta tags option is like a search engine description. So you need to enable search engine description so that search engine can describe your site. So to have more explanation, or its name, show you what I mean by search engine description. So example, let's search for TechCrunch. So now this is techcrunch.com. So the meta description is here, over here. So what is meta description? So meta description is like a description of a search engine, what your site gives, and also meta description gives much traffic to your blog. So here we are going to add the meta description on this blog so that it can be able to be giving description to your audience of what your site is all about. So now here, you, after enabling tick marking this, if your blogger here is like this, it's off, so just tick mark it to on it, and then click on search description to enable. So let me get the description here. So then I will paste it. So this is my description. It should appear in Google as the description of the site. Then click on save. So now we are successfully done with the description process. So now let's go to submit the website on Google. So now click on Google Search Console. So now this is the Google Search Console area. So now here it contains of two parts. The first part is you can add your domain here, and you can, the domain will be like www. Then your domain name .com. Then here the difference here is just the HTTPS here. So this you won't add HTTPS on it, while this you will add just your HTTPS. So I'm going for this. So I'll be going for this. Let me copy the domain name. So this is the domain name, so let me copy it. So then I paste it here, then click on continue. Ownership auto verified. As I said earlier, this is a very simple method without copying and pasting code on your blog, on your edit HTML. Just it's going to verify automatically on your blog. Then click on go to property. So now that of your Google console, the site has successfully submitted. This is it. So this is it, https www.litech.com.ng. So now we are not yet done with the process. So now you will need to add a sitemap on your site. So what is a sitemap? A sitemap is like a map that will enable Google to clone to check all your posts on it. It contains all your site information in it. That is, as the name implies, that's what we call a sitemap. So now get to your sitemap area. So now sitemap is not added here. So let me show you how to locate a sitemap, your sitemap on Blogger. So now after you have gone to your site URL here, so have a slash on it and type sitemap.xml. So this is your sitemap, and this contains the posts for a blogger, https://litech.com.ng, how to make a Java program to Windows. So this contains all your posts. So now what you are going to do here, just copy the XML, sitemap.xml, then copy, then go to it, here it is it, then paste. So it's done. Then click on submit. Submitting the sitemap successfully. So Google will periodically process its looks for changes. You will be notified if anything goes wrong in the future. So now it's done. So this is the message, success, and Google discovered 3 URL. So please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and smash off the subscribe button, and also give me a thumbs up on this video, and also share it to your friends. If you want to know how to generate a robot.txt on your Blogger blog, the link is going to be available in the description. Thank you.